Hey, party people, come along with me as I take you behind the scenes of one of my favorite balloon gigs yet. Okay, so let's get into it. So, for this setup, I forgot to shoot the part where I was blowing up the balloons because I kind of got carried away, but you're gonna get the full experience from the rest. Okay, so for this setup, it was a guy who booked me to do a setup for his girlfriend's birthday, a surprise balloon setup. Okay, so but I was actually recommended by my friend who's beside me in the video to the guy, right? I really love my friends. So she's an old school friend, so it was really nice times she was with me. We're catching up, stuff like that. Of times in junior high school and all of that, so it was fun. I really enjoy the work that I do. Okay, so mostly if I'm doing a setup, a normal room setup like this, I like to do it alone because I really find it calming and relaxing. I don't know, balloons make everyone happy. Okay, if I pop up balloons, I blow up balloons in a room right now, everyone's going to be happy. You see, everyone's going to be playing with balloons just make people happy, and I enjoy it because it brings people joy and happiness. Like, just imagine walking into a room full of balloons. Like, you're just gonna be like, oh my god, like you're just gonna be so excited. Okay, so I love my work, I love what I do. It makes me happy, it makes people happy. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be giving a little story time, okay, on my business and how it started and all of that. Okay, so if you don't know, my name is Achwa and I am the founder, the CEO of the Decor laboratory. Okay, and this business started last year, 2024, May actually. Yes. Okay, so how did this business start? So last year, beginning of the year, I was going about different things. Actually, when I finished university, I started my national service. So if you don't know what national service is in my country, you're required to work for a year, mandatory, okay, for the government or something like that, before like you go looking for jobs on your own. Okay, so after my national service, I didn't know what to do. I mean, I had a job, but you know how it is. It's not, you can't fully depend on your job, okay, for like your to get money and stuff like that. So I was looking for like a side hustle. So I started with selling jewelries. It wasn't really moving, like I tried, but I wasn't really seeing a lot of profit from it, and I wasn't really into it. Then later I said I wanted to start like a dessert sort of company. So I started selling popcorn, like nicely packaged popcorn, but it also wasn't really working. Then later I wanted to do go into selling sandals and shoes and stuff like that. So I was about to go into it, but I just felt God speaking to me and letting me know that I'm trying so hard to take care of myself, but I'm not allowing God to take care of me. And the reason why I was struggling, my money wasn't enough for me and all of that, was because I was trusting in myself to take care of myself. But when I began to see that, I realized that no, I had to trust God to take care of me and not trust in myself to take care of myself. And I just, I let go and I let God, and I just stopped trying outside houses. And I told God that, God, I'm really sorry for trying to take care of myself, trying to do this, trying to do that. I trust you, and I know that you're going to take care of me. If you want me to do a side hustle, you're going to bring it up to me. The idea's going to come some way, somehow. If not, you're going to definitely take care of me. So I stopped all attempts in trying to get business and all of that, and just focused on the one job that I had at that time. Okay, so this was about February last year. So somewhere in I think May, my very good friend texts me and she's like, oh, normally in church you're very good with doing like the backdrops and the balloons. Like normally I just used to do like some simple balloon decoration for like pastors' birthdays and my friends and all. And she's like, oh, you're quite good at it, why not make it a business? Then I was like, I don't know, because like if it's a business, it has to be serious. But like what I normally do is just like a simple thing sort of. So are you sure? She's like, yeah, you should. Like, you should create an Instagram account. And I was like, okay. And for some reason, I didn't feel anxious about it. I just felt like, okay, sure, I just like created the account. But all along, like when I started my other businesses, like the jewelry and the rest, I would never move to like create an Instagram account or something, because I feel like that was very serious. But for this one, I just sort of started, right? So this same friend has another friend who is going to have a bridal shower, and she texts me, she's like, oh, this person is going to have their bridal shower, why not come and use it as like your first gig sort of, and see how it goes. I'm like, hey, like wow, it's getting serious. Like I'm actually going to do it. And I've never done like a backdrop before, okay? So but I'm like, okay, let's just do this, okay? So I go get the balloons. I mean, a lot of mistakes happened in that first gig. Later I'm going to do like an actual video to show you my experience of my first gig. Okay, it wasn't easy. It was quite chaotic, but I think it turned well for a first time. But yeah, we went on, and yeah, I did the first gig. Some people liked it. I guess it wasn't bad at all, but it actually opened another door for me for my next gig, which was like my first actual paid gig. Okay. And yeah, from then on, I guess it's been bliss. It's been good by the grace of God. I mean, I never expected in like a million years to ever end up doing this business of, decor or like balloons. Like it's not something I ever saw myself doing. But God has a sense of humor. God has a funny way of providing for you in the least ways that you expect to. And God has been faithful to me. And I mean, for someone who, mind you, I've not been to decor school or event school or any training of any sort, nothing. Like my most form of learning balloons and stuff like that was through YouTube. So I mean, to just watch videos and create backdrops and just like try and do something, and like for it to actually turn out great, and for people to book me. And it was like when I started to I began to get a lot of gigs. Like I remember for like my first month in June, I had about 13 gigs, and it's like every time I got a gig, I was like, hey, like you trust me, like I can actually do it for you. Like some of the gigs I actually told people that I don't think I can do this. It's like, no, I want you to do this for me, and I'll just go ahead and do it. But it's just this business starting and everything has just been a testament of God's goodness in my life, and how just trusting God that He will actually take care of you, my dear friend. Like you just need to trust Him that He will take care of you, and He's actually going to take care of you. The Bible says in Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5 and 6 that trust in the Lord with all of your heart and lean not in your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your path. Maybe for some reason, or maybe the reason why you are struggling to find a job, to get money, to just meet your ends meet, because you are not trusting God. You are doing it on your own. You're trying, but then maybe this is your sign to allow God, let God, and let go. And I believe that He's going to take care of you. I've seen Him do it in my life, and I know that He's going to do it for you. He's going to take care of you. So just trust Him, okay? And He will definitely take care of you. Yeah. And now here I am, a year later, by the grace of God, starting my YouTube channel. From this business, I've also birthed rental business as well. I also rent wedding arcs and backdrops, and hopefully I'm going to get into like event rentals and stuff like that. I've also started doing wedding decor as well, and I'm going to put up a wedding decor vlog very soon as well. So if you're a new beginner balloon artist and you're listening to me, I just want to encourage you and let you know that it's going to work out good. It's going to turn out well. Though the beginnings will be little, it's going to definitely turn out great by the grace of God. Just trust in Him. Trust in God. God is going to take care of you. I know it. I've seen Him do it, and He's definitely going to take care of you. It may not look like it right now, but I'm telling you, trust in Him. Okay? And He's definitely going to do it. So that's my little story of the Decor Lab, and we are here now after a year, and I know that greater things are coming ahead of me, and we are all going to be a testament to the goodness of God. No, stand here. Small side.